welcome to all on behalf of KK Secondary School and Junior College, Saraswati Nagar, Nashik. Today we are going to discuss a technical term which is included in our syllabus of 12th standard. Today we are going to discuss about a lesson, Big Data, Big Insights. When we focus on the title, we will understand that it is related to a business, or sometimes we can say that it is related to the data and internet and the websites. So it is absolutely right that where we use big data and how can we say that there is a big insights of data. Okay, so in this lesson we will discuss about the definition of data, means what is data, also the measurements of data and different kinds of uses of data, that where we can use the big data and how can we use big data to our educational purposes and also for the professional purposes, because there is a lots of information is available. There are different sources of information and we can use different sources of information to our professional use and to our educational use. Okay, so there are different uses of data, and first we will discuss what is data. Okay, so in this video we will discuss about the big data and big insights. Okay, when we think about big data, so again we should know that the uses of a big data. So first use of a big data, that is location tracking. Second one, that is understanding the weather patterns, and third one, healthcare industry. The fifth one, banking, finance and trading. Next one of the important uses of data is sports, then advertisements and entertainment and media, and last, it is very important uses of data, that is education industry. So these are the uses, we can mainly focus on those points here.
Big data, big insights. Today's world is the world of information and telecommunication. Every day, new technology and inventions are being made in the area of information, processing and traveling. The whole world has become a small place today. Any information can be exchanged by people in a few seconds. These technologies are becoming a part and the parcel of our lives. They are transforming our lifestyles and habits. Digital technology is playing a vital role in our day-to-day life. The lesson Big Data, Big Insights reveals how information and technology changed the present scenario in a very systematic way. Human lifestyle has absolutely been affected by big data. It has become a rapidly growing part of today's society. The whole lesson is highlighted with the 8 important revolutionary outcomes with valuable insights of human development. The 8 important revolutionary outcomes are location tracking, understanding the weather patterns, healthcare industry, banking, finance and trading, entertainment and media, advertisements, sports and education industry, etc. Here we will discuss the first, location tracking. Use of GPS and Google Maps. There are certain uses of a location tracking. We use location tracking device for geographic positioning, use of radio frequency identification, useful in traffic management system, helps to locate accident prone areas. It is also helpful to plan our own travel route. We can track the online ordered goods, and it is also helpful for logistic companies. The second one, that is understanding the weather patterns. We use weather patterns or weather sensors and satellites to get the information. Through these weather sensors and satellites, we get huge data continuously received, and it will help to understand weather forecast. It is making us aware about natural calamities and also helpful for necessary preparations. The understanding of the weather patterns are useful to study global warming, and it is useful to predict availability of natural resources. So we can say that there is a very much beneficial for us. The next one, that is healthcare industry. Through this healthcare industry we can use of smartwatches and health apps, use of many biomedical devices. Also we can collect data, gives new insights, detect heart rate, monitor sleep pattern, 24/7 monitoring in hospitals, useful in exercise, provides feedback. Also the use of gadgets to monitor sugar and BP. It is helpful for better diagnosis, helpful in maintaining past records, better monitoring of diseases, and individual suggestions and solutions. So we can say that healthcare facilities are very developed because of the different sources of information. The next uses of a big data is banking, finance and trading. Investment patterns can be studied. It is also helped bank and companies with suitable plans. It enables smooth functioning. Through this banking and finance and trading, we can also stop the cybercrimes and frauds are predicted and prevented. Easy analysis of past data. Also handles missed transactions and failed issues. We can monitor financial markets. We can use in high frequency trading. Also algorithms used for trading decisions. We can support to equity trading. The next uses of data is sports. Permutations and combinations of statistical analysis in live matches. The recordings of matches, training and workouts. Sportsperson's performances is studied. It can be improve individual and team performances. The sensors help to understand game. We can give the information about field condition and weather. Video analytics helped to see minute performances. The next one, that is advertising. Advertisers are biggest players. We use of Facebook, Google, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, etc. It provides a great deal of data. We can run targeted campaigns, use of data analysis techniques, clicking get different results. The next one, that is entertainment. Focuses targeting people, provides right content at right time, use of our past views and behaviors, shows different recommendations, effectively used by Netflix and YouTube, increasing engagement and revenues, and also used by television broadcasters too. The last one, use of big data, that is education industry. Inundated the education industry with the information about students and study. We can prepare learning programs. Also we can design course materials. We can understand the students' choices and difficulties, and information of courses and specialties. We can also take the results, help to gauge the program. Useful as career guidance. It improves in operational effectiveness, provided solution as biggest pitfalls, and enhance the progress of students through these different sources of information and uses of big data.
So here students, in this way we have discussed about big data and big insights. Also we have discussed the definition of big data and the uses of big data. Also we should know that how can we use big data for our educational purposes or for the professional purposes. Thank you very much.